Hello student, we learn about vibrations of air column in a pipe open at both ends. In previous lecture we studied that vibrations of air column in a pipe closed at one end. The figure of vibrations of air column in a pipe open, both ends are open. Small l is denoted by length of organ pipe, but antinode is not exactly formed on the open end. Therefore, the end correction factor capital corrected length should be calculated as capital L is equal to end correction should be added in 2 times, therefore twice E. Capital L is equal to L plus twice E. Then for first mode of vibration, consider for first mode of vibration where stationary wave is formed in between the pipe, two antinodes are formed for first mode of vibration. Where first mode of vibration, antinode and antinode, the distance between antinode to antinode, the distance between two successive antinode is lambda by 2 is equal to length of organ pipe is L. Therefore, lambda is equal to twice L. Lambda is equal to twice L. Now, by using the relation V is equal to N into lambda, by using the relation V is equal to N lambda, then calculate the frequency N is equal to V upon lambda. But for organ pipe, N is equal to the fundamental frequency V upon lambda is equal to twice N. Therefore, pipe closed at one end, the fundamental frequency should be calculated by N is equal to V upon 4L. But in that figure or in that expression, the pipe open, both ends are open. Therefore, fundamental frequency N is equal to V upon twice L. The fundamental frequency, it is known as fundamental frequency. What is meant by fundamental frequency? The minimum frequency of a vibration is known as fundamental frequency. Therefore, N is equal to V upon twice L. Now, for second mode of vibration, in figure B shows that antinode, antinode and antinode means vibrating length is antinode to antinode, again antinode to antinode. For second mode of vibration, vibrating length is equal to L. Vibrating length is distance between antinode to antinode. 3 antinodes are formed. Therefore, antinode to antinode, again antinode to antinode. Means antinode to antinode distance is lambda by 2. That distance is again lambda by 2. Lambda by 2 plus lambda by 2 means lambda. Therefore, L is equal to lambda by 2 plus lambda by 2. We get lambda. L is equal to lambda. Now, calculate the vibrating length and its frequency. Therefore, again use the relation V is equal to N lambda. Therefore, that vibrating length is denoted by L1, lambda 1. Therefore, V is equal to N1 lambda 1. That frequency N1 is equal to V upon lambda 1. V upon lambda 1 is equal to lambda 1 is equal to L. We get the value of L. Therefore, V upon L. Multiplying numerator and denominator by 2. Therefore, 2V upon twice L. In terms of fundamental frequency, 2 in bracket V upon twice L means 2 into fundamental V upon twice L is denoted by N, fundamental frequency. Hence twice N. N1 is equal to twice N. Where the minimum frequency is known as fundamental frequency, but the integral multiple of fundamental frequencies are known as harmonics. The integral multiple of fundamental frequencies are known as harmonic. For example, N means 1n, twice n, 3n, 4n. That integers are multiplied by the fundamental frequency are known as harmonics. First harmonic, second harmonic, third harmonic, fourth harmonic. Similarly, up to 25. 25n means 25th harmonic. And what is meant by overtone? Overlapping of harmonics are known as overtones. For example, here no overlapping in between these antinodes and antinodes, but in that figure overlapping is present. One overlapping. Therefore, for second harmonic means first overtone. One overlap is occurring in that figure. Therefore, this is second harmonic or first overtone. First overtone. For second mode of vibration, vibrating length is equal to L. Distance between antinode to antinode, antinode to antinode. Because of antinode is formed at its open end. Hence antinode, antinode and antinode. Distance between antinode to antinode is lambda by 2. Therefore, L is equal to lambda by 2 plus lambda by 2. Hence, we get lambda 1. V is equal to N1, lambda 1. N1 is equal to V upon lambda 1. But lambda 1 is equal to L. Therefore, V upon L, N1 is equal to V upon L, multiply 2 by denominator and numerator. Therefore, 2V upon 2L. V upon twice L is N, is the fundamental frequency. Therefore, N1 is equal to twice N. We get the relation N1 is equal to twice N. Means second harmonic and first overtone. Overlapping of antinodes in a organ pipe. Therefore, one overlap is present. Therefore, first overtone. That frequency is denoted by first overtone. Now, third mode of vibration. Considered as third mode of vibration. In that mode, vibrating length L is equal to antinode to antinode, antinode to antinode, antinode to antinode. Means 4 antinodes are formed. 4 antinodes. Distance between 2 antinode is lambda by 2. Lambda by 2. Again lambda by 2. Means 3 lambda by 2. L is equal to 3 lambda by 2. Therefore, lambda is equal to 2L upon 3. Lambda is equal to 2L upon 3. Now, using the formula, V is equal to N lambda. Means N to lambda 2. Vibrating length for third mode of vibration means lambda 2, 3 lambda 2 by 2. Here lambda 1, substituted that. Therefore, V is equal to N2 lambda 2. Hence, N2 is equal to V upon lambda 2. Lambda 2 is equal to twice L upon 3. Twice L upon 3 means N2 is equal to 3 in bracket V upon twice L. But V upon twice L is again fundamental frequency. Therefore, N2 is equal to 3n. n2 is equal to 3n. That shows third harmonic. Integral multiple of fundamental frequency are known as harmonics. Therefore, third harmonic is present. The relation between the fundamental frequencies n1 as to n2, n as to n1 as to n2 is equal to 1 as to 2 as to 3. n twice n, 3n means the ratio is 1 as to 2 as to 3. Therefore, all harmonics, integral multiple of fundamental frequencies, first harmonic is present, second harmonic is present, third harmonic is also present. Therefore, all harmonics are present in a vibrations of air column in a pipe open at both ends. All harmonics are present. Conclusion from that, all harmonics are present. All harmonics are present. Where n2 is equal to 3n means third harmonic and second overtone. That frequency is related with second overtone, means two overlap. Here occur in that figure, two overlaps are occur. Therefore, that frequency, that relation shows that two overlapping means second overtone. That frequency is related with second overtone. Third harmonic, n2 is equal to 3n means third harmonic and second overtone. All harmonics are present in a vibration of air column in a pipe open at both ends. यावर तुम्हाला क्वेश्चन विचारला जाऊ शकतो 4 मार्क्स साठी. शो दॅट ऑल हार्मोनिक्स आर प्रेझेंट इन अ व्हायब्रेशन ऑफ एअर कॉलम इन अ पाईप ओपन ॲट बोथ एंड्स. पाईप क्लोज ॲट वन एंड मध्ये काय एक्सप्रेशन आलं होतं, ऑड हार्मोनिक्स. तिथे तुम्हाला रिलेशन मिळालं तर n3 n3n 5n ऑड हार्मोनिक्स आर present. When pipe closed at one end, odd harmonics. Odd means 1 as to 3 as to 5 as to 7. Therefore, odd harmonics are present. But in that term, where all frequencies are present, 1n, 2n, 3n, 4n, means all harmonics are present in a vibration pipe open at both ends.